Yo, what's up guys, it's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be taking a look at both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I'm looking at Ethereum right now because obviously I'm still in my short, guys. I have not been stopped out whatsoever. My first target is still down here at around 109, right? And hopefully we'll get there. So obviously we just had this pump, right? We just had this little pump, but if you guys look closely, right? Let's just take a look at the 5 minutes here, right? We're just gonna zoom out. Zoom in, way zoom in, right? So all this was, this little pump that we just had, is just a quick 5 minute pump, right? That is not sustainable, guys. That is not how you want a breakout to start, right? Obviously we bled all the way down again, and then boom, right? Just so obviously that doesn't work, right? That's Ethereum. Let's take a look at Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin's doing kind of the same thing, obviously with less of percentage. But yeah, the trader still not told me like, hey, you know, like stopped out, you lose whatever, right? Obviously this is a 5.41% stop loss. So obviously I'm not in super big, but I'm in with half size, right? Half size, guys, because I only want to take a loss of potentially 2.5% on my account, nothing more, right? So yeah, keep that in mind, okay? Risk reward is 1.75, but that's only for the first target, okay? So I need to tell you guys that, and that's only where I'll offload 33% of my size. After that, obviously we have this area, right? The next one. So you know, after that you go another 6% down. After that you have another area. So Ethereum has so many areas, another 6%. So you know, that's definitely, so in total, you know, we could potentially even be all the way down here instead, right? And then you have a 2.8, so as you can see, that's a lot better. So it all depends where the price is going, right? But I just see this going down, right, guys? Everyone, I know a lot of people are bullish because of the whole, you know, the ETF was denied, or not denied, but like postponed, you know, for a well, who knows how long, right? They didn't say any date, and there was not much of a reaction in price, and I agree. However, guys, we have to remember that we are in a downtrend, okay? So if you look on the 6 hour on Ethereum here, for example, this is a downtrend, okay, guys? You have to remember that and respect that. We are in a downtrend, so what you need to be looking for is shorting opportunities and not so much going long, right? Now, where do you want to kind of be looking for maybe going long? And, you know, once again, maybe around this 108, well, at least we'll see some kind of bounce, I'm sure. And maybe a little bit lower even at 101 or so, right? So obviously we need to throw our fib here. So if we take our Fibonacci and we'll put it on the top here, let me just white this out a little bit, right? So there we go. Then, well, the 786 lines up perfectly with the 101. So yeah, that's for Ethereum. Now let's take a look at what Bitcoin's doing, guys, right? Obviously Bitcoin is doing kind of similar things, right? Very similar. But Bitcoin has one discrepancy, like what I was talking about before, that Ethereum, you know, basically this, right? This is just one big gap. Whereas Ethereum has a bunch just stairways. So we'll have to see what the price is doing when Bitcoin's dropping, you know, if Bitcoin's dropping. And I just expect Bitcoin to drop further, okay, because we are still in a downtrend, and you just have to respect that. Now if we do get a pump, sure, you know, stop me out, guys, right? Stop me out. If you don't stop me out, and then I'll probably get to target, right? That's how trading works. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. The 786, I don't think will be this significant on Bitcoin. You know, do you want this to hold? Like, maybe this bottom, right? Maybe this can hold here. Okay, this 3380 on Bitfinex. And if not, you know, you get down to these lower areas once again, and who knows, we could even make a lower low. But that is very far still. So this is the 6 hour, obviously. The 1 hour, well, you get very weird candles here because of this 5 minute action. But you can already see, like, this little pump. Basically, it's already nearly that it's lower again, right? Let's see how it's on Ethereum. It's not that low yet, but basically you pumped here and then you gave it all back. So this to me looks for they were looking for liquidity to get their shorts filled real quick, and now they want to go down, right? Obviously, I was very early in this short, right? When did I get in, guys? Like I think the 22nd on my mom's birthday here. Yeah, 22nd. So this is when I already got in, right? I've been in the trade for quite a while, guys. You can see patience, guys, right? It's 2 days already, like nearly 3 days, and I'm looking for this target, guys. So I'm just patiently waiting for my target, right? It's all about patience, guys, and you need to let your trade play out. So yeah, that's what's going on right now, right? So always, so if you see something weird happen, like what just happened on the 1 hour, when you just see it pumping up, you have to look on smaller time frames. So on the 5 minutes, and you just see it was just one big pump, right? And on Bitcoin, same thing. So what that means is that it gets pumped way too quickly, right? And you don't see any follow through. You just see one big pump, and then you see it going red already. So obviously in the downtrend, you have to assume that you're going further down, and that is what we're seeing right now, right? I do expect us to go and make those lower lows, right? So if we look on the 6 hour on Bitcoin, let's zoom out here. We'll probably get to this level, 33.80, right? That is what I think will happen on Bitcoin. So that's just a quick update for you guys, right? There's nothing much going on yet. If there is a significant drop, then I'll make another video, right? And that will probably be tomorrow. I think tomorrow will be a significant drop or pump. If there's a pump, it will tell me I'm wrong. If there's a drop, it'll tell me I'm right. And I don't care about being wrong or right, guys. It's all about risk management, all right? So that's that, guys. Also, I have a Telegram group, which is the CryptoPies block. Let's see what's going on here, guys. Let's see here. I obviously talked about this as well, the BTC shorts and BTC longs, guys. Join my Telegram group to know more about that. And basically, well, it's kind of interesting, right? Obviously the longs are not all the way down yet, and the shorts are nearly all the way on the bottom. So I do expect the shorts to have the upper hand right now, because they obviously want to go up, right? Yeah, no problem, dude. BTC longs, yeah, see, so I do think that needs to go a bit further down. Let's see here, XRP. This to me also looks pretty bearish. You already drawn this descending triangle yourself, so yeah, it's going to blow tomorrow. Yeah, exactly. So it all lines up, right? XRP lines up with Ethereum and Bitcoin as well then, and so does Tron. So yeah, XRP, Bitcoin. So I stick with that, guys. Always the trend's your friend, right? So keep that in mind, right? Also, guys, join up with the CryptoPies feed where I post all my videos, post about upcoming ICOs and STOs. But at the moment, just don't expect any of them, because we are simply still in a bear market, and that means you will get bearish gains, which are not gains, right? Obviously, they're losses. That's why they're called bearish gains, right? You'll get a loss on your investment, so just don't mess with them right now, all right? So that's that, guys. Also, follow me on Twitter, which is twitter.com/Pygoz. And follow me on Twitch, which is twitch.tv/Pygoz. Both telegrams will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button. And if you've got any questions at all, leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.